Are sleepless nights leaving you exhausted? You're not alone. Every parent wants to know the secret to getting their baby to sleep well. The truth is, a consistent sleep routine can make all the difference. In this video, we're sharing a step-by-step guide on how to create the perfect sleep routine for your baby. From setting up a cozy sleep environment to understanding your baby's sleep cues, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, what's the biggest sleep struggle you're facing with your baby? Let's help each other out. First things first, let's talk about baby sleep patterns. Unlike adults, newborns have much shorter sleep cycles and wake up often. Newborns sleep 14 to 17 hours a day, but only in 2 to 4 hour stretches. Around 3 to 4 months, their sleep cycles become more structured. By 6 months, many babies can sleep longer stretches at night. Understanding this helps you set realistic expectations. Your baby's sleep will improve, but it takes time. The right sleep environment can make or break your baby's sleep routine. Here's what you need for a calm, sleep-friendly space. Keep the room dark. Use blackout curtains to block out light. Use white noise to mimic the sounds of the womb and block household noise. Ensure the temperature is comfortable, between 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. Use a firm crib mattress with no loose blankets or toys for safe sleep. A calm and consistent sleep space helps your baby learn that it's time to rest. Now let's build your baby's bedtime routine. Babies thrive on predictability, so a routine signals their brain that sleep is coming. Try this simple routine. Warm bath helps relax your baby. Gentle massage soothes and calms them. Dim the lights and play soft music. Signals wind down time. Read a short story or sing a lullaby. Creates a positive sleep association. Final feeding session ensures they go to bed with a full tummy. Pro tip: stick to the same order every night. This consistency is key. Step 4. Follow an age-appropriate sleep schedule. Did you know that overtired babies actually sleep worse? Having an age-appropriate sleep schedule prevents meltdowns and ensures your baby gets enough rest. Here's a general guide based on your baby's age, 0 to 3 months. Wake windows are 45 to 90 minutes. Aim for 4 to 5 naps per day. 3 to 6 months. Wake windows 1.5 to 2.5 hours, 3 to 4 naps per day. 6 to 12 months. Wake windows 2.5 to 4 hours, 2 to 3 naps per day. Watch for sleep cues like rubbing eyes, yawning, or zoning out. These are signs your baby is ready for sleep. Step 5. Teach your baby to self-soothe. Helping your baby learn to self-soothe will make bedtime easier for both of you. Put your baby down drowsy but awake. This teaches them to fall asleep on their own. Offer a pacifier or let them suck on their fingers for comfort. Use gentle reassurance instead of immediately picking them up. Try patting or shushing first. Pro tip: if your baby wakes up at night but isn't crying, wait a minute before intervening. They may settle themselves back to sleep. Step 6. Handle night wakings the right way. Night wakings are normal, but how you respond to them matters. Keep nighttime feedings quiet and low stimulation. Avoid bright lights and talking too much. Don't rush to pick them up immediately. Sometimes babies fuss briefly before resettling. If feeding is needed, keep it short and calm to avoid overstimulation. Your goal is to make nighttime interactions as boring as possible, so your baby learns that nighttime is for sleeping. Step 7. Be patient and stay consistent. Finally, the golden rule of baby sleep: patience and consistency. Babies take time to adjust to a new routine. Stick with it for at least 1 to 2 weeks before making changes. Some nights will be harder than others, but don't give up. Every baby is different. Adjust the routine based on what works for your little one. Pro tip: if sleep regressions happen, don't panic. Stick to your routine and things will get back on track. Let's do a quick recap. Here's how to create the perfect sleep routine for your baby. Understand your baby's natural sleep patterns. Set up a calm, sleep-friendly environment. Follow a consistent bedtime routine. Stick to an age-appropriate sleep schedule. Teach your baby to self-soothe. Handle night wakings the right way. Be patient and consistent. Sleep takes time. Now it's your turn. What's your baby's biggest sleep struggle? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert parenting tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.